How to fix? Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on iPhone. If you've been facing the frustrating, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error on your phone. Don't worry, in today's video, we'll walk through several simple solutions to get you back on track. First things first, let's check if your payment method is up to date. If your card or payment information is expired or invalid, you might see this error. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, and go to Payment and Shipping. Here you can view and update your payment method. If your card has expired or there's an issue with the payment method, update the information. Once updated, try the transaction again. Now let's verify that your Apple ID and billing information are correct. Incorrect details can trigger this error. Go back. Now simply go to personal information. Here you can select name, phone number, email. Check that your name, email, and billing address are all correct and match the details on file with the bank or credit card provider. Another quick fix is signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. Here you can scroll down and simply tap on sign out. Once signed out, sign back in with your Apple ID and the transaction again. And that's it. I hope one of this step helped you fix the. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error.